So what's happening?
I'm stuck in seaweed and I don't want to go down because I might fall.
Put your rod down and yank on the whatever you call it. Welcome to Something Special, the show where we try to do something special and different every week. What the fuck? To enrich our lives and get our asses off the couch. As you can see right now, we're out fishing.
And we are not very good at this at all. But it seemed like a good idea at the time, and still seems like a good idea.
Someone is more enthusiastic than other people.
I think that enthusiasm will bring me a fish.
I beg to differ.
You're terrible at this.
I hate fishing.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. We also met this interesting guy when we arrived. This guy in cargo pants and an old jacket, snooping around the woods in the dark with a flashlight.
Looking for smuggler's cash, smuggler stuff, like cheap booze and cigarettes in the forest at 4 in the morning. He left. He was a nice guy though. Local drug dealer, good guy.
So that's pretty much been the start of our day.
If I fall into the ocean now, this is your fault.
No, that's just good TV.
You cynical bastard.
Ooh,
nice.
that wasn't half bad.
Do you think the fishing community has a strong presence on YouTube?
I don't know.
That they'll be like, you stupid doing it wrong, yo! That's not even a saltwater fishing hook. Not a single fish.
Nope.
Nope.
It's a beautiful morning though. To look at it in a positive way. I lost 2 of the hooks.
Yeah, so we're actually 2 fish in minus.
Oh. There's a lot of birds here.
Yeah.
And I got stuff in my nose. Sorry.
All those birds screwing up our movie.
Go be birds somewhere else.
Goddamn birds.
No place.
You have no right.
You got a permit for being a bird?
Excuse me, bird. May I see your permit and registration, please?
License and registration, please. Sorry, I'm gonna have to bring you in.
We could go for a treasure hunt in the forest looking for smuggling goods. Because I saw a red plastic bag, right? You know, I'll just go and check.
Oh, Jesus, yeah, go check it. What is that? That's... Oh, Jesus!
This is... I can smell it.
Oh, yeah, it smells...
Oh my god. Take it away.
Take it with you.
I don't want to
Take it with you.
anymore.
Take it away. My hands, they've been compromised.
I don't want to touch it.
Move it away. You brought it here.
Oh my god, that's such a mistake. I don't want to touch it anymore.
You have to. You brought it up.
Oh my.
It's your own fault.
So bright and blind.
My eyes.
Blinded by the night. Well, thank you for watching.
Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next week.
Yeah. Have we successfully done anything?
But it's not a dangerous one.
It's
What?
It's a red one. I hate the red one.
Next week on Something Special.